how to transfer USDT from Binance to Metamask. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, you have to open up the extension on your Google Chrome, and from there, open up the Metamask extension. And once you open up the Metamask extension on your Google Chrome, from this drop-down menu or from this Metamask wallet, make sure you have selected the network as Ethereum mainnet. In order to do so, head over to the left-hand side of this pop-up menu, and from here click on this icon, which will allow you to select the network. From here, select the network that is Ethereum mainnet. And once you select that, you have to copy the address. So copy the address, and once you copy, now open up the Binance and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, now head over to the upper right corner, and just next to the profile icon you will get this icon. If you hover your mouse over there, from this drop down menu, go to your Spot wallet, click on Spot, then you will be taken to your Spot wallet. From here, click on Withdraw, and once you get to this interface, scroll down a bit, and under the section that says Select Coin, make sure you select the coin as USD. In order to do so, click on this drop down menu. From there, select USDT. Once you select that, under next section, that is address, on this text box that says enter address, you have to simply paste the address that you have recently copied from Metamask. So simply press the address here, and under that you will be asked to select the network. From there also, make sure you select the Ethereum. From there also, make sure you select the network as Ethereum mainnet. Once you select the network, then you will be able to enter the amount that you would like to transfer or that you would like to withdraw. Enter the amount, and after that click on withdraw button, and after that again you have to confirm your transaction. Once you confirm your transaction, the amount that you have typed in the selected amount will be transferred to Metamask. And this is how you can transfer USDT from Binance to Metamask. And you have to make sure of one thing, that you have to select the network as Ethereum mainnet on Metamask. So with that on your mind, I hope this tutorial helped you. And if you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and hit the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching. I will see you on next video.